Have you ever seen a number with a little number above and to the right of it, like 3 square? That little number is called an exponent and it tells you how many times to multiply the number by itself. So, 3 square means 3 times 3 or 9. But what if the exponent is negative? That means we are dealing with fractions instead of whole numbers. To write a fraction with a negative exponent, we just flip the fraction and put a positive exponent on it. Let's take a look at the first problem. 3 over 4 whole power 2. To express this with a negative exponent, we simply write the reciprocal of the fraction and put a negative exponent on it. Right? The reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. So we have 3 over 4 whole square equals to 4 over 3 to the power minus 2. Question 2 is a bit more complicated, but I promise we will make it easy to understand. First, we need to simplify the expression inside the brackets. To do this, we can use the rule that says when we have a negative exponent, we can flip the fraction and make the exponent positive. I hope this explanation helps you to understand how to express numbers with negative exponents. Remember to always simplify as much as possible and use the rules of exponents to make the process easier. The answer to this question is 5 over 2 whole power minus 2. Third question is 5 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power minus 3. To simplify this expression, we can use the rule that says when we multiply two powers with the same base, we add the exponents. So the answer to this question is 1 over 5 to the power 5.